Looking for the best beginner-friendly pistols in 2026 without breaking the bank? Whether it's for home defense, range practice, or learning the basics, we've tested and reviewed the top 9mm and compact pistols that deliver reliability, accuracy, and value. From the Glock 19 Gen 5 to the SIG Sauer P365 XMacro, these budget-friendly options are perfect for first-time shooters. Stay tuned as we break down their features, performance, and what makes each one a smart choice. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 8. Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield Plus. If you're a beginner looking for a budget-friendly pistol in 2026, one big question matters most. Can it be simple, reliable, and easy to control right from day one? The Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield Plus checks all those boxes, making it one of the best entry-level 9mm pistols on the market. The Shield Plus is a striker-fired, slim-profile handgun designed for new shooters who want confidence without complexity. It features a lightweight polymer frame, an improved flat-faced trigger, and a slim grip that fits smaller and larger hands alike. Unlike older single-stack designs, the Shield Plus offers increased magazine capacity while still remaining easy to conceal and comfortable to shoot, which is a major win for beginners. On the range, this pistol shines with controllable recoil and consistent accuracy. The grip texture provides a secure hold without feeling abrasive, helping new shooters maintain control during practice sessions. Reliability is a key strength. Smith & Wesson's M&P line has a long track record of running cleanly with a wide variety of ammunition, which is exactly what beginners need while learning. There are a few compromises. The shorter sight radius can be less forgiving at longer distances, and the compact size may feel snappy for some shooters during extended sessions. However, these are common trade-offs in slim pistols and are easily managed with proper training. For home defense, range practice, or first-time concealed carry, the M&P9 Shield Plus offers excellent value for money, dependable performance, and beginner-friendly ergonomics. If this is your first pistol, it's a smart place to start. What do you think? Would this be your pick for 2026? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the Gun Vault. Number 7. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Is it possible for a beginner-friendly pistol to feel modern, capable, and still remain budget-conscious? The Springfield Hellcat Pro proves that new shooters in 2026 don't have to compromise between ease of use and serious performance. The Hellcat Pro is a striker-fired 9mm that builds on Springfield's popular Hellcat platform but adds a longer slide and grip for improved control. This makes it especially appealing to beginners who want better stability and accuracy without stepping up to a full-size handgun. The grip texture is aggressive yet comfortable, and the overall ergonomics help new shooters establish a confident, repeatable grip from their very first range session. Performance is one of the Hellcat Pro's strongest selling points. The pistol offers excellent out-of-the-box accuracy, aided by a longer sight radius and a clean, predictable trigger pull. Recoil is manageable for a compact-style pistol, which helps beginners focus on fundamentals like sight alignment and trigger control. Reliability is also a major plus. The Hellcat Pro runs consistently with both training and defensive ammunition, making it a dependable choice for home defense and everyday carry. Of course, there are a few drawbacks. The grip texture may feel aggressive for some users during long sessions, and the price can be slightly higher than entry-level models. However, when you factor in its features, durability, and shootability, it still delivers strong value for money. For beginners who want a modern 9mm that grows with their skill level, the Springfield Hellcat Pro is an excellent option. Would you choose this as your first pistol? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with the Gun Vault. Number 6. Walther PPS M2. For beginners in 2026, one of the biggest challenges is finding a pistol that feels intuitive the moment it's in your hands. The Walther PPS M2 has long been known for its excellent ergonomics, making it a strong budget-friendly option for first-time shooters. The PPS M2 is a striker-fired single-stack 9mm designed with simplicity and control in mind. Its slim frame and natural grip angle help beginners build proper shooting habits without fighting the gun. Walther's attention to ergonomics is clear the moment you pick it up. The grip feels comfortable, well-balanced, and easy to manage, even for shooters with smaller hands. At the range, the PPS M2 delivers smooth and predictable performance. Accuracy is impressive for its size, and the trigger offers a clean break that helps new shooters stay consistent shot after shot. Recoil is manageable, thanks to the pistol's solid build quality and well-designed grip. Reliability is another major strength, as Walther pistols are known for running reliably with a wide variety of ammunition, which is ideal for beginners experimenting with different loads. The main trade-off is capacity. Compared to newer double-stack micro-compacts, the PPS M2 offers fewer rounds per magazine. Some shooters may also prefer an optics-ready slide, which this model lacks. Still, These compromises help keep the design simple and beginner-friendly. For those who prioritize comfort, accuracy, and reliability over capacity and customization, the Walther PPS M2 remains a solid value-for-money choice. If you're just starting out and want a pistol that feels natural and easy to shoot, this one deserves serious consideration. What's your take on the PPS M2? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the Gun Vault. Number 5. HK P30SK. When beginners think budget-friendly, HK might not be the first name that comes to mind, but the HK P30SK proves that long-term reliability and ease of use can still make sense for first-time buyers in 2026. The P30SK is a subcompact, hammer-fired 9mm built with HK's reputation for durability and precision engineering. One of its biggest advantages for beginners is ergonomics. The interchangeable backstraps and side panels allow new shooters to customize the grip to their hand size, which helps build confidence and proper control early on. The ambidextrous controls also make it an excellent option for left-handed shooters. On the range, the HK P30SK delivers smooth and controlled performance. The weight and balance help tame recoil, making it easier for beginners to stay on target. Accuracy is consistent, and the pistol's build quality inspires confidence with every shot. Reliability is where HK truly shines. The P30SK is designed to perform under harsh conditions and heavy use, making it a dependable option for home defense and range training. There are some trade-offs. The trigger, especially in double action, can feel heavy for new shooters, and the price is higher than many polymer striker-fired pistols. However, that cost reflects exceptional build quality and long-term durability rather than flashy features. For beginners who value safety, reliability, and a solid learning platform, the HK P30SK offers strong value for money over time. It's a pistol you can start with and still trust years down the road. Would you choose a hammer-fired HK as your first handgun? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the Gun Vault. Number 4. Mossberg MC2c. What if a beginner-friendly pistol could deliver solid performance, modern features, and an affordable price, all in one package? The Mossberg MC2c does exactly that, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious shooters in 2026. The MC2c is a compact, striker-fired 9mm designed to be approachable for new shooters while still offering the features experienced users appreciate. It comes with a clean, simple layout, an optics-ready slide, and a grip angle that feels natural the moment you pick it up. Mossberg's focus on simplicity helps beginners focus on fundamentals without being overwhelmed by controls or complexity. At the range, the MC2c performs reliably and predictably. Accuracy is consistent, and the trigger offers a smooth pull that's easy to learn. Recoil is manageable thanks to the pistol's well-balanced design, allowing beginners to build confidence with each session. Reliability is a standout feature. The MC2c runs well with a variety of ammunition, making it suitable for both training and home defense. There are a few compromises. The aftermarket is smaller compared to brands like Glock or Smith & Wesson, and some shooters may find the factory sights basic. However, these trade-offs help keep the price accessible while still delivering dependable performance. When it comes to value for money, the Mossberg MC2c punches above its weight. It offers reliability, accuracy, and beginner-friendly ergonomics at a price point that's easy to justify. If you're buying your first pistol in 2026 and want something practical and affordable, the MC2c deserves serious consideration. What do you think? Underrated or overlooked? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the Gun Vault. Number 3. CZ P10c. When beginners look for a budget-friendly pistol that still feels premium, the CZ P10c often stands out as a smart choice in 2026. It offers a balance of reliability, shootability, and value that makes it especially appealing to first-time buyers. The P10c is a compact, striker-fired 9mm built with CZ's well-known attention to ergonomics. The grip angle feels natural, helping beginners point the pistol instinctively without overthinking alignment. The aggressive grip texture provides excellent control, especially during recoil, and the overall balance of the pistol makes it easy to handle during extended range sessions. On the range, the CZ P10c delivers excellent accuracy for its class. The trigger is one of its strongest features, offering a clean break and a short, positive reset that helps new shooters build consistency. Recoil is well managed, making follow-up shots smooth and predictable. Reliability is also a major strength. The P10c runs consistently with a wide variety of ammunition, which is critical for training and home defense use. There are a few downsides to consider. The grip texture can feel aggressive for some shooters, and aftermarket options are more limited compared to Glock. However, these are minor issues when weighed against the pistol's overall performance and durability. For beginners who want a dependable, accurate, and easy-to-learn 9mm, the CZ P10c delivers strong value for money. It's a pistol that rewards good fundamentals and grows with your skill level. Would this be your first handgun in 2026? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with the Gun Vault. Number 2 at SIG Sauer P365 XMacro. Can a pistol be compact enough for everyday use yet easy and forgiving for beginners? The SIG Sauer P365 XMacro answers that question confidently, making it one of the most beginner-friendly and budget-conscious options to consider in 2026, especially for shooters who want a modern platform that grows with them. The P365 XMacro is a striker-fired 9mm that expands on SIG's popular P365 lineup with a larger grip module and longer slide. This design gives beginners better control and stability while still keeping the pistol slim and comfortable in the hand. The grip texture is secure without being harsh, and the flat-face trigger offers a consistent feel that helps new shooters build proper trigger discipline. On the range, the XMacro performs exceptionally well. Accuracy is impressive for a pistol in this size category, and recoil is noticeably softer compared to smaller micro-compacts. That reduced snap makes it easier for beginners to stay on target and build confidence. Reliability is a major strength. SIG Sauer's modern striker-fired pistols are known for consistent performance with a wide range of ammunition, making this a dependable option for both training and home defense. The main drawback is price. While still reasonable, the XMacro can cost more than basic entry-level pistols. However, when you consider its modern features, shootability, and long-term durability, it delivers excellent value for money. For beginners who want a future-proof 9mm that balances comfort, accuracy, and reliability, the SIG Sauer P365 XMacro is a smart investment. Would this be your first pistol in 2026? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the Gun Vault. Number 1 Glock 19 Gen 5. When it comes to beginner-friendly pistols, one question always comes up. Why is the Glock 19 so often recommended as a first handgun? In 2026, the Glock 19 Gen 5 continues to earn that reputation through unmatched reliability, simplicity, and long-term value. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is a compact, striker-fired 9mm that strikes the perfect balance between size and shootability. It's large enough to control easily at the range, yet compact enough for home defense and potential carry. The Gen 5 upgrades include an improved barrel for better accuracy, an ambidextrous slide stop, and the removal of finger grooves, making the grip more comfortable for a wider range of hand sizes, especially important for beginners. On the range, the Glock 19 Gen 5 delivers consistent and predictable performance. Accuracy is excellent, and recoil is easy to manage thanks to the pistol's balanced design. Reliability is the Glock trademark. This pistol runs in almost any condition and with nearly any ammunition, which gives new shooters peace of mind while learning. The simple controls and consistent trigger pull help beginners focus on fundamentals rather than mechanics. The drawbacks are familiar. The factory trigger and sights are basic, and the price may be slightly higher than some budget alternatives. However, Glock's massive aftermarket support means upgrades are easy and affordable, and the pistol's durability ensures it will last for years. For beginners seeking a dependable, versatile 9mm that works for training, home defense, and beyond, the Glock 19 Gen 5 offers outstanding value for money. If you had to choose just one pistol to start with in 2026, would this be it? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the Gun Vault. Outro. That's our complete roundup of the best beginner-friendly pistols of 2026. Each one offers a unique mix of reliability, ease of use, and affordability, so the choice comes down to your needs and shooting style. Which of these pistols would you pick as your first gun? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews and expert insights from the Gun Vault.